to know how to apply any background blur effect to any video at all, then I'm gonna show you how. So here is the CapCut application. We're gonna import our videos or our materials and elements, and we're gonna drag them over here. As you can see already, I already dragged my own video over here, my own clips. Now what I need to do is come to the video and come to this ratio button over here. You can see it, click on it and adjust it to the size that you want. In my case, I want to make a short YouTube video out of this long version video, so I'm gonna choose 9:16 video over here like this. But this is the thing, when I do this, I will have these two black top and bottom, and I don't want them. I don't like them. I mean, I want to see everything. Now I'm gonna scale in, either using the scale here or just click and drag. But if I do this, I will not be able to see everything that happens inside the video, so I might want to refrain from doing any scaling on the video. This is really a tough situation that I need to use a lot of things to make it look better. One of the things I can use is the blur effect. So what I can do is I'm gonna just click on the video like this, keep it at the normal scale, come here to this area video, scroll down until I see canvas. Gonna come here, I will have this list of effects. One of them is the blur effect. I click on it and I scroll down a little bit and I can see 4 different versions of blurring effect applied to my background. I'm gonna choose the first one, click on it, and here you go. This is the blur effect in CapCut. Let's play it. Yeah, this looks far better than what it used to be, because what it used to be, I'm gonna play it. You see, the blur effect is much better, so I'm gonna just redo and keep it. This is how you add blur effect in CapCut to any video background. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this provided you some value so that you can use it in your own videos and your own YouTube shorts. This will be all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.